请您再次检查座位周围，确认已携带好座。
Hot. It'll be a hot one.
Guys, after how many hours? 22 hours of traveling.
We're here.
We finally made it to Thailand. Oh my goodness. Oh, 22 hours.
Guys, so we were just complimented big time. We were very presentable with how we looked, how we held ourselves. Shit, sorry.
Sorry, we need to.
Dude, people thought we were YouTubers.
They did.
Soon to be.
They did.
Soon to be. So help us grow.
H2O.
Guys, we're in the Sky Lounge.
Wow. This is bougie.
So we're in the Sky Lounge right now. Apparently we try to check in downstairs, and because of our room, they told us we had executive suite. So super grateful for that, and yeah, get to have a little feel of this up class. It's cool. Let's go check it out.
Guys, we're headed to our room.
24th
floor. Let's see. Okay,
Let's go.
ready?
24. 2014.
Wow. Hey y'all. So we finally made it to Thailand after 20 hours of traveling.
Wasn't too bad.
Yeah, we just checked into our hotel in Bangkok. It is beautiful. We will give you guys a little hotel tour. We have a little executive suite. It is so nice. We have a
Super dope.
living room, a little bedroom, super big bathroom.
We'll say it. We'll show you guys.
Yeah, we will show you guys, but we're just gonna chill for a little, like freshen up, shower and all that, and then we're gonna go to Terminal 21, which is like their little, like a little like shopping center, right?
Yeah.
Like a little mall shopping center
food.
thing. Yeah, a lot of food. Actually, we just found out that we have a happy hour. It's included with our executive suite
in an hour.
So I
Drinks,
think we
cocktails, you name it.
yeah, I think we might have to do that, and then we'll go to Terminal 21.
Yes.
But you guys will know because we're gonna take you guys with us.
So stay tuned.
Yes.
Stay with us, vibe with us, and just
Yes.
Cool. We out. What you do though?
Some cheese.
Cheese.
So many options. First beers in Thailand. First beer. Cheers. Guys, so we have a sky bar at our hotel.
Shit's hot.
Wow, a little steamy up here. This view is so beautiful.
Hey. Yeah, I don't got the words to describe it. Bro, living in the moment, y'all. On an adventure, guys, right now.
Where are we going?
We're headed to Terminal 21.
Terminal 21. We are walking.
We are walking.
And it's hot outside.
It's about 95 degrees.
No big deal.
Humidity is about 50%. Yeah.
Wow.
Probably
Are you the weather guy?
Yeah, the weather no.
No?
Weatherman.
Oh.
All right, we're in the clear.
Look at this traffic. It's like the 405, right? Oh my God. Okay guys, so this is a mall called Terminal 21.
Let me show.
What it is every single floor is like a different part of like the world, if that makes sense. So right now we're going to Paris, we have Tokyo, London, what else? I can't even see. And the top floor is all food, so you already know we're heading
to the food area.
Yes, we're heading straight to the food. We heard that when you get like the food here, you don't pay like with cash, like you get a card and then you use the card. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
We're about to see what this is about.
We're excited though. It's like our first like actual Thai food tasting.
So,
You know?
stay tuned.
I guess we're going to Hollywood. I have no idea.
We'll see what kind of food they offer us. Yeah. So we're going to food terminal, guys. Where we going?
The food terminal. Okay. We're kind of lost.
Kind of lost, but I think we found it.
Oh, this is the damn line.
Yep,
for
this is the one. Look at this. You pay to get a card. How long that line is. Look at this. You pay. Haha, you just eat. We're about to grow. Finally found the line.
We're in the line.
And
We're trying to act like we've done this before.
yes. We gotta act like the locals right here.
Yep.
Gotta walk with confidence. Hey. Number one. Hey, thank you. I was doing the most. Alright. Thank you. What's your toppings, huh?
I don't know.
What's your toppings? She about to just throw on every time. What the? That is a hella hot chili peppers.
That's what Mark Weens does, okay? Mark Weens. What is it? Is it salt?
I ain't even gonna try that.
Oh.
Look at her. Babe, hurry up. I'm sweating.
Okay, let's go.
Oh. First Thai food. Here we go, guys. It looks bomb. Roast duck. I like duck. I like Chinese food. Fucking hot. Y'all saw the food. Yeah, y'all saw the food. I'm gonna go ahead and try mine. That look bomb.
It looks good.
For those of y'all in Hawaii who know this, that char siu. Ooh.
Is it good?
A little dry.
Oh.
Look. I just tried the duck. Pretty damn bomb. Low key. High key.
It was like duck fat in there?
Yeah. Oh, it's really good. Just because I like Chinese food.
Sure do. I'm not
Plate
sure
one.
what this is.
Oh. Try that. Tofu. Right in half.
That has a weird texture.
Bite it. Tofu. It is tofu. Fried tofu.
Interesting.
He said nope.
Is it bite?
She said nope. She said bye. Hey, so we loaded 200 baht on our card. We just paid for these two They're pretty good sized meals, as you guys saw.
Paid 75
75. Not bad.
for 2 meals.
So what is that?
It's like $2 US. Not even $2 US.
3 together? I don't know.
So we got pork dumplings and crab. I think they're dumplings too. I don't know. I'm kind of confused, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna try these. So that's pork. That's crab.
Well,
Okay,
these were
I'm gonna
7
try.
baht.
7.
That's like
That's like
20 cents.
yeah, if that. It's like less
Try
than a
it.
quarter.
Try it out. Pretty good? My turn.
I'll try this.
Yep. Let me try this.
It's good.
Oh,
I like it.
once again, people from Hawaii, for cash. Oh yeah.
Look at this. Yum. It's like a manapua.
Yeah.
Tastes just like it.
How much did you spend
Okay,
right
no,
now?
we just calculated on our dumplings. The
And
duck, what did you get? The duck?
The duck.
The duck, and then I got a soup. We spent $3.55 right there. Isn't that crazy? $3. And we still have like 87 baht left, so we're gonna go get like a smoothie or something, fruit maybe. Because look at, I'm ghetto. Like, look at this, my little fanny. Of course, I had to bring this for all the fruit that they have here.
Tahini.
Yeah, it
Mustard.
was right in here.
Extra. We pretty much just had like an entree, like an appetizer, and we're about to get some dessert. Wow, $6, dude, for 2 people. Crazy, crazy. So stay tuned for the smoothies, the dessert. We decided to end it here because we're a little tired. Or at least I am. I'm a little tired. It's 8:12. We're trying not to be jet lagged, but it is what it is. Dude, look at that. 32 cents. That's crazy. We in there.
Okay, so we came down to check out the pool. Look at this. We have a little infinity pool. Such a nice view.
We'll come back down for sure.
Little night swim.
Real nice one, babe. Check. Hey, listen. Whoa! Baby card.
Hey. Cool.
I did.
Oh, it feels good in here. About to just hang out. Got a little gym.
Oh, that aches. Alright, guys, we're gonna make it a thing.
We're gonna try and make it a thing.
Should work out. At least do a cardio for an hour or something.
An hour or something. How about we just swim for an hour?
In the morning.